Jai Siaram. One more story. In a slow motion, in easy sentences. There was a crow. He was very thirsty, so he wanted to drink water. But there was no water around. Some rivers were dried, ponds were dried. Why? Because there was famine, duskar. There was no rain for a long time. Other birds and animals had run away from that place. They had found some new place where there was some water. At that time, this crow had not gone with them. Now he decided that I will change the place. But right now, he wanted to drink water. So he ran. He flew into the sky and he started searching water. Suddenly, he saw one jug in the garden of somebody's house. He flew down to that jug. He looked into the jug. There was a water. He was very happy. But when he tried to drink water, he could not drink water because the water was very deep into the jug and his beak could not reach there. Now there was a trouble. He began to think because he wanted to drink water. He was very thirsty. He thought and thought and thought. Suddenly, he got an idea. There were some stones, small stones, around the jug. He put the stones one after one into the jug. He put the stones into the jug and the water rose up, came up. He kept putting the pebbles, stones into the jug until the water reached to the high. At last, water came very high and now he could reach and he could drink. He drank water and flew away to the nearby place where there was some water. I have told this story according to my intellect and my understanding to make you understand some grammar points clearly. The story tells us if you are thirsty, you will find water. On the other side, if there is a will, there is a way. Jai Siaram.